The Philippine and Indian navies have sailed together for the first time in the South China Sea, officials said on Monday, as President Ferdinand Marcos left Manila for New Delhi for a state visit. The Philippines has conducted maritime cooperative activities with foreign navies since late 2023 as part of its push to counter China's expansive claims in the waterway, including joint passages with treaty ally the United States, as well as Japan, Australia, France and Canada. An Indian official said the passage was in the West Philippine Sea and part of a bilateral exercise with Manila, where its ships arrived on Friday as part of India's outreach to build partnerships in the Indo-Pacific. Philippine Military Chief Romeo Brawner said the idea for the two-day joint passage, which started on Sunday and was inside the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, came about when he met his counterpart in India in March. We did not experience any untoward incidents, but there are still those shadowing us, as we had already expected, Brawner told reporters, without referring directly to China. China's foreign ministry said in a statement that territorial and maritime disputes should be resolved between the countries directly involved and no third party should intervene. Indian Navy ships that took part included guided missile destroyer INS Delhi, tanker INS Shakti and corvette INS Kiltan. The Philippines deployed two frigates, BRP Miguel Malva and BRP Jose Rizal. The exercise coincided with Marcos' departure for a 5-day trip to India, where he said he would look to deepen maritime ties and seek cooperation on sectors including defense, pharmaceuticals and agriculture. China claims nearly the entire South China Sea, overlapping with maritime zones of Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines and Vietnam. The waterway is a strategic shipping route where $3 trillion of annual shipborne commerce takes place. A 2016 ruling of an international arbitral tribunal found Beijing's sweeping claims had no basis under international law, a decision China rejected. The two-day joint military deployment that kicked off on Sunday is likely to anger China, which claims nearly the entire key waterway and has separate territorial disputes with the two Asian countries. Later on Monday, a spokesperson for the Southern Theater Command said that China's military conducted patrols in the disputed waterway from August 3 to 4. The spokesperson stated the Chinese patrol was routine, but said the Philippines' so-called joint patrol disrupted regional peace and stability. In response to a question last week about the Philippines' plans to build up military cooperation, the Chinese Ministry of National Defense called the country a troublemaker that has aligned itself with foreign forces to stir up trouble in what China deems its own territorial waters. China never wavers in its resolve and will safeguard national territorial sovereignty and maritime rights and interests, and take resolute countermeasures against any provocations by the Philippine side, spokesperson Zhang Xiaogang had told reporters.